Today I'm going to teach you how to disable the Send to OneNote tool on startup. This is particularly useful if you find the OneNote icon constantly appearing in your taskbar notification area when you start your computer, and you'd prefer a cleaner workspace without the automatic Send to OneNote functionality running in the background. Start by opening your Microsoft OneNote app and loading into your notebook. This initial step is important because you need to access the full application settings, which aren't available until you're inside the program itself. Once your notebook has fully loaded, you'll be able to see all the menu options at the top of your screen. Now we need to access the main settings area. To disable the Send to OneNote tool on startup, head to your File tab located on the top part of your screen where your tools and menu are positioned. Click on File to reveal a drop-down menu with additional tools and options. This is where OneNote stores most of its configuration settings and preferences. From your File menu, look at the very bottom of the list and click on Options. This will open the OneNote Options window, which contains all the customization settings for how the application behaves. When the Options window appears, you'll see a left side panel with different categories. In this left panel, click on Display. This section contains several visual and interface settings that control how OneNote appears and functions on your system. Here's where you'll find the specific setting we're looking for. Look for the option that says Place OneNote icon in the notification area of the taskbar, and disable it by clicking on the checkbox next to it. This checkbox is the key setting that makes OneNote automatically run upon startup and enables the option to always send anything you're working with to OneNote. By unchecking it, you're removing both the persistent taskbar icon and the automatic startup behavior. Once you've unchecked this box, click OK or Apply to save your changes. The setting will take effect immediately, and the next time you restart your computer, OneNote won't automatically launch or place its icon in your notification area. You've now successfully disabled the Send to OneNote tool from running on startup, giving you more control over when and how you use the application. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.